Here, let's dive into a truly special dish from Azerbaijani cuisine called Lavangi. This traditional recipe is all about rich flavors, aromatic spices, and a beautiful balance of textures that make it a favorite at festive tables and family gatherings. So, what exactly is Lavangi? Lavangi is a classic Azerbaijani dish typically made by stuffing whole poultry, most often chicken or fish, with a flavorful mixture of walnuts, onions, herbs, and spices. The stuffing is rich and aromatic, blending the crunchiness of nuts with the sweetness of caramelized onions and the earthiness of herbs like coriander and parsley. Garlic is often added too, giving the dish a wonderful depth of flavor. The process of making Lavangi is as important as the ingredients. First, the chicken or fish is carefully cleaned and prepared, then filled generously with the walnut and herb stuffing. After it's stuffed, the poultry is sewn or tied shut to keep all those amazing flavors locked inside during cooking. Traditionally, Lavangi is baked slowly, allowing the meat to become incredibly tender and infused with the rich, nutty filling. The slow roasting also creates a crispy, golden skin that's packed with flavor. When done right, every bite offers a perfect combination of juicy meat and fragrant, slightly crunchy stuffing. Lavangi is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of Azerbaijani hospitality and culinary heritage. It's often prepared for special occasions, holidays, and family feasts, where it shines as a centerpiece that brings everyone together around the table. What makes Lavangi truly unique is its harmony of flavors. The richness of the walnuts, the sweetness of the onions, the freshness of the herbs, and the tender, juicy poultry all come together in a dish that feels both comforting and elegant. While chicken Lavangi is most common, variations with fish or even lamb exist, each offering a slightly different experience but maintaining the same core principles of rich stuffing and tender meat. Serving Lavangi is always a special moment. It's usually accompanied by simple side dishes like rice pilaf or fresh salads, allowing the complex flavors of the main dish to shine. A squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of fresh herbs on top adds a bright touch that balances the richness. If you ever get the chance to taste Lavangi, you'll experience more than just food. You'll taste history, culture, and the warmth of Azerbaijani tradition in every bite. So next time you want to try something that's both luxurious and rooted in tradition, think Lavangi, a dish where tender poultry meets a rich, nutty stuffing for a truly unforgettable meal. Lavangi. Rich, aromatic, and deeply satisfying, a true treasure of Azerbaijani cuisine.